Good afternoon, my YouTubers. This is your cameraman, Daniel Drupsky, for this new construction video update. And today is January 8th, 2023. Right now, the weather is high, only 43 degrees out there, 42. And we're almost near like the day sunsets or something like that. I don't think they chopped down any more trees over there, but I had to make sure. Let's hope they're not gonna chop any more crap. It's a good thing I caught it by accident. I thought they don't do no construction on the weekends. What the heck? Maybe they'll just come late or early tomorrow. Let's hope they're not interfering this crap. Yeah, it keeps me interfering my friggin' time with this stupid taping of this construction. I wish they actually go away. Yep, the guy is still doing it. This is why I'm videotaping this. If we ever get this into YouTube, just watch all the videos about this situation. Or comment, subscribe, to ring the bell on these previous other ones. I've been doing like the YouTube work for about 2 years. I'm used to doing this. They're still doing it. I want to get all this crap out of here. This is the fine new year to start with this operation. This is my 6th day of doing this, and tomorrow's going to be the first 7 days that we've been doing since the 2nd day of January. Yeah, about approximately almost last week. As a matter of fact. They're doing this. Christmas is over, and I think we're moving on to the next holiday of January. New Year's Eve or day is over. Now we got like Martin Luther King. That's going to be eventually. It's going to be a federal holiday. By the following next Monday. Firehouses over here, they do anything good like for buffets every week. I mean every month. Now eventually we might be doing like a fish on every Friday. Starts in March to mid-April, something like that. Something to do with the Easter, the Passover, something like that. I didn't expect to be there at 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I thought they don't do work on like a weekends, but he just lied. So it's like when you do the constructions in New York, they don't work on the weekends. They only work like Monday through Fridays. Excuse me, I farted. This is why I'm just undercovering with this work. It's gonna go it's gonna go look good on my album, on my YouTube album, like I did in the past with the tree cutters on this side of that construction area on Laurel. Yep. That's why I give you some updates. Maybe a little later I might make more videos and maybe aftermath. And that's another pickup truck. No, they're not heading into that area. Just pass through it. So I hope you enjoyed this today's first video for January 8, 2023. Well, I'll see you later for more updates, like when they're doing some more destructions, everything. Comment, subscribe, or ring the bell if you like any of those previous videos. Yep. I'll see you later, and I'm going to give you updates. Bye.